Yo, I'm down here in Princeton, Texas. Just finna get it in, y'all. I'm down here with my Mexicans getting my car getting ready to get painted, but it's finna storm on us. Yeah, we finna get it in big dog style. Man, if y'all need any, like a motor put in your car, any type of things like that, my people, they do it all. I'm talking about they do it all. They working on the car right now. Got the bumper off of it. That's my boy right there. He one of the coldest in the game. I come down here and just chill sometimes when I ain't got nothing going on. Yeah. Sitting up watching the soccer game, USA up 2. That's my boy Allen over there. He a bad motherfucker. Yeah. That's my other boy. He be getting it in. He be putting the motors in the car. He just now snatched this motor right here out the car, putting it in this Jeep. You need any type of work, man, get at us, man. Get at me, I can get it to you for the low, man. I can get it to you for the low. So, like I said, I'm down here in Princeton getting it in. Goddamn me getting ready to get this Lexus. Got my bumper right there. I'm gonna paint my bumper up and some other things. My partner had wrecked my car, so I gotta get the dents and all that taken out first so we can do what we gotta do. That's my boy Martin right there. That's my main man. That's my main man right there. Yeah, stay tuned, man. Stay tuned. Reporting live from TTV. Red Man is down. Reporting live from Princeton, Texas. Like I said, if you need any automobile work, get at me, man. I'm talking about the best in the business. Make love and respect. He's getting it in. He's gonna paint this truck right here. He's gonna put the new lights and new grill on it, all that type of shit. Yeah. When you see this truck again, it will not look like this, I promise you. I'm gonna give you a preview of it, so when you see it again, you'll know what I'm talking about. How cold they are. Yeah. Scanning it down right now. But next time you see that truck, it will not look like that, I promise you. It's gonna look brand new. Everything they do. You got the seats and all that taken out of there. All that stuff's gonna be right, I'm telling you. Yeah. Here it come, y'all. Heard that rain. Here it come. Yeah, buddy. We rushing trying to get everything put up. Rain or shine, they gonna get it in though, I promise you. You're gonna be right. My boy was out there putting them brakes on that one. I said, boy, you gonna get it done. I think he got one side done, but I think he still got another side. It's been raining all morning though. All morning. Stopped for about 3 hours, but now I love it though. I love the rain. Any paint, anything done you need done with a car, man, I'm telling you where it's at, man. Hit me up, get at me. I ain't trying to beat nobody out no money. I'm gonna get you my prices. Let it rain, man. Yeah. Damn. Yeah, it got her quick. Ooh, Lord.